Welcome to the Retro Car Quiz. Can you guess these 20 automobiles from the sensational 1970s if you can name the car before the multiple choice options appear? Give yourself 3 points. If you can pick out the make and model after the multiple choice options appear, give yourself 1 point. Do you think this car is A. 1975 Bricklin SV1, B. 1974 Triumph TR7, C. 1974 Dodge Challenger, D. 1972 Lancia Beta? This one is A. 1975 Bricklin SV-1. Is this vintage auto? A. 1970 Opel Manta, B. 1970 Bond Bug, C. 1973 Reliant Robin, D. 1973 Lancia Stratos? This one is B. 1970 Bond Bug. Is this car A. 1974 Fiat X19, B. 1974 Lamborghini Countach, C. 1975 Mazda Cosmo, D. 1972 Porsche 914? The correct answer, B. 1974 Lamborghini Countach. Is this vintage auto? A. 1974 Volkswagen Scirocco, B. 1975 Jaguar XJS, C. 1970 Lancia Stratos HF0, D. 1970 Peugeot 304? This is C. 1970 Lancia Stratos HF0. If you're enjoying this quiz, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss our next retro car quiz. Do you think this auto is A. 1975 Pontiac Firebird, B. 1972 Volvo 164, C. 1973 Audi 80, D. 1971 Ford Mustang Mach-1? It's D. 1971 Ford Mustang Mach-1. The choices are A. 1972 Dodge Challenger, B. 1970 Opel Manta, C. 1970 Datsun 240Z, D. 1974 Lancia Beta? This one is C. 1970 Datsun 240Z. Is this car A. 1973 Toyota Celica, B. 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, C. 1974 Volkswagen Dasher. D. 1976 AMC Pacer. The correct answer, B. 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans AM. Is this vintage sports car? A. 1971 BMW 3.0 CSL. B. 1974 Chevrolet Camaro. C. 1970 Renault 12. D. 1972 Saab 99. This one is A. 1971 BMW 3.0 CSL. Is this one A. 1970 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. B. 1973 Mitsubishi Galant. C. 1975 Ford Pinto. D. 1970 Peugeot 504. This classic is A. 1970 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Is this classic car A. 1973 Porsche 911 Turbo. B. 1971 Datsun 510. C. 1971 Damaso Pantera. D. 1972 Alfa Romeo Alphasad. The correct choice is C. 1971 Damaso Pantera. Type your choices are a 1971 Datsun 1200, B. 1971 Myers-Manx, C. 1973 Volkswagen Thing Type 181, D. 1972 Chevrolet Camaro. The correct answer is C. 1973 Volkswagen Thing Type 181. Your choices are A. 1975 AMC Pacer. B. 1976 Volkswagen Scirocco. C. 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. D. 1971 Citroën GS. The correct answer is a 1975 AMC Pacer. Is this classic car A. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro. B. 1974 Triumph Spitfire. C. 1971 Dodge Charger. D. 1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1. The correct choice is A. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro. Is this classic car A. 1972 Pontiac Firebird Trans AM. B. 1974 Triumph TR7. C. 1971 Fiat 128. D. 1973 Opel Kadett. The correct choice is B. 1974 Triumph TR7. Is this one? A. 1970 Audi 100. B. 1972 Toyota Corona. C. 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL. D. 1976 Lotus Esprit. This classic is D. 1976 Lotus Esprit. Is this classic? A. 1971 Renault 16. B. 1973 Datsun 240Z. C. 1976 Mercedes-Benz W123. D. 1973 Volkswagen Passat. This is C. 1976 Mercedes-Benz W123. Your choices: A. 1970 Ford Gran Torino. B. 1974 Alfa Romeo GTV. C. 1972 Honda Civic. D. 1972 Mazda 808. The correct answer is C. 1972 Honda Civic. Do you think this is A. 1976 Porsche 914, B. 1975 Ferrari 308 GTB, C. 1971 Toyota Celica, D. 1973 Fiat 124 Spider? If you pick it, B. 1975 Ferrari 308 GTB, you're right. Is this one? A. 1972 Ford Gran Torino. B. 1978 Seat 900. C. 1974 Dodge Challenger. D. 1972 Lanka Beta. The CUDA is correct. It's A. 1972 Ford Gran Torino. The choices are A. A 1975 Porsche 911 Turbo. B. 1971 Chevrolet Vega. C. 1976 Lamborghini Countach. D. 1973 BMW 2002. This one is A. 1975 Porsche 911 Turbo. Leave a comment to see how many points you scored. Let us know what you'd like to create for your next Vidi.